Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Twitter account permanently. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete Twitter account permanently. So let's get started. So guys, to delete Twitter account permanently, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Twitter. Click on first link. Now after that you can see the option of more. So click on more. Now in more you can see the option of settings and support. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now here you can see the option of your account. So click on your account. Now in your account you can see the option of deactivate your account. So simply click on it. So this will deactivate your account. So before click on deactivate, first read this carefully. So you're about to start process of deactivating your Twitter account. Your display name, username and public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com. Twitter for iOS or Twitter for Android. So here it is written, you can't restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So means that when we click on deactivate, so after 30 days our account automatically deletes. So if you want to download your Twitter data, you will need to complete both the request and download process before deactivating your account. So you can download your data. So simply click on your account and here you can see the option of download and archive of your data. So from here you can download your data. You have to simply enter here your password and simply download it. So after that again click on deactivate your account and simply click on deactivate. Now enter here your password and then simply click on deactivate. So guys, here you can see written your account is deactivated. Sorry to see you go. So means that our account is deactivated. So now after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, here you can see we have deleted Twitter account permanently. So you can also delete Twitter account permanently by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.